Today we're going to change a hydraulic motor on this tanker here. First things first, what are we going to need? Parts. Specifically, new parts. A hydraulic motor. The next thing that we're going to need are tools. Not sure if these are the right tools, but we'll give it a try. So we're going to begin by opening this door and looking at the hydraulic motor. What do we do with broken shit? We replace it. 3/4. Alright, so once you get these little screws out right here, or these little bolts out here, this whole thing can remove back. But we have Lovejoy here. So there's a set screw right here. You gotta undo that set screw. And there might be one on the other side as well if we try to turn it around. Yeah. There's another set screw there. Take those off. This whole thing should just slide right out. And then the last step will be to remove the hydraulic lines and put them into a pail so we don't make a mess. Pretty good. There's the old one. Now we got to put the fittings from the old one onto the new one. Oh yeah. There's no ORB end. Want to check and make sure that there's no cracks in the O-ring. The threads are still good. It's pretty good to me. Let's throw it on the new pump. All right, now let's get this bad boy in place. One last thing we gotta do is put put these set screws in place. To make sure it works.